Let me show you how to participate in Omnera Points Airdrop and unlock curated task. So I'll be leaving for you a link in the pinned comments of this video and also on the Telegram page, and when you click on it you find yourself here. Connect your X account to step inside. So that's the first thing you need to do, is to connect with X. But before then, what stats do we have here? Level leaderboard, quest rewards, trust base, live leaderboard glimpse. So this project is said to have raised $1 million so far and still going, right? For the launch, that seed round, right? So that's what's up. So it costs nothing to be here, and the different ways to earn here include curated tasks, streak multipliers, and referral boost. So let's just jump on the connect button here without any further ado. Alright, so I've connected. Complete quest to earn Omnera points. Well, here you copy a link, you invite friends, and each person that joins using your invite link, you receive 250 points. Like, repost, and comment pinned Omnera tweets for 25 points. Follow 50 points. So these are the different rewards that you will receive. And then there is the daily claim. This one you don't need to do anything but tap on claim to receive 10 points. So it says queued. So after completing the task, you come back and verify that yes, you have actually participated in the task. So the ecosystem, there is Omnera USD, that's stable coin. Then it's going to be base layer 2 network, social, lens, Farcaster, that's the channel, and XMTP. Let's hit the menu here and see. So this way you can see your overview, you can see the task, you can see the leaders, and frequently asked questions, of course. So it says currently I have completed 1 out of 6 tasks. Global highlights, top 55,521. Next milestone 500 points. That means I need 490 points to go. So if you want to see who are the men whooping asses on the leaderboard, you click on leader, and these are they with their balances. My rank currently is 51,428. I haven't even started the task. Of course, we're already familiar with this. You refer, you complete the social task, you'll be part of it, right? So this is it for Omnera. It's a new project. Let's check out the frequently asked questions. How do Omnera points work? Points are earned by completing social tasks and engaging with Omnera USD community on X. Points contribute to your overall ranking and may unlock future rewards, airdrops, or exclusive access to Omnera card future. That is my X connected use. So you want to go through all of this and understand what exactly the project is about, right? So that's basically how to join the Omnera Airdrop farming event. Connect your Twitter page, you complete task, and you earn. So there you have it, guys. Thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the notification bell icon to be the first to see my video. I'll leave my invite link in the pinned comment so you can jump on it, register, and start farming. Bye bye.